I've been saying this consistently, nonstop, that I don't think the top is in. I still think that this breaks higher. And I'm still of the mindset that even if we do one of these, right, we can still come up and, you know, trade higher. And that's my thesis for now until proven otherwise. Now, what would potentially change that? The one risk we have here is that we're forming a top like back here, and we've got Trump catalyst was the high, weekly SFP, everything ran, stocks look kind of gay. So like there's that risk there. But what we would want to see here, or what the bears would want to see, is this. If this is going to sell off lower, similar to here, before potentially another rally, sweep, weekly structure break, retest, sell off. So we could see that here. There's your sweep. Your weekly structure is here. So if we get like a weekly close below here, kind of hard to not sell any kind of bounce. And then maybe that takes us back into here. I don't know. If you look at like the really high time frame, there's a lot of air here. I'm not saying we're going back to 45,000, but we're below the yearly open and we have a lot of air below us. So if we're going to get a move down, in my opinion, I want the band-aid to be pulled off quickly, and then I want to reclaim of this range. I do not want us to stay below this range for any significant period of time. Kind of like this, right? Yeah, we traded below the range, but it was quick and we were back in. If we get some sort of big close out of here, then I'm thinking, okay, we're probably going to bounce, and then I would have to sell the bounce mechanically because it would be a weekly structure break after a weekly sweep. Like that's a sell. So that's something to consider on like the Giga Bear scenario. I don't want to buy into that yet. I don't want to get too far ahead of myself because we are still within the range. But yeah, something to be aware of, something to watch. I'm going to, you know, hopefully remain confident here that any sort of move below here is a deviation and it's quick. We came into demand, tagged it, got back in the range. Here's your demand and back in the range. That's the bullish case we're going to go with.